Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix services and controller app high CPU usage and high memory usage on Windows 11. So just follow easy steps. Firstly click on start, type here services, open services, it will ask permission so click on yes. Now here guys you have to find out Sysmain SOSMAI. So find out Sysmain service this one. So double click on it. Now startup type it's automatic, so select disable. Then click on apply. Then click on OK. Now close it and again click on start. Now type CMD. Right click on command prompt and run as administrator. It will ask permission, so click on yes. Now type this simple command SFC space slash scan now and press enter. Now guys it will take couple of minutes, so complete this scanning, and once this scanning will complete you have to restart your PC or laptop. So hopefully guys after restart you can fix and resolve services and controller app high CPU users and high memory users on Windows 11. Thanks for watching guys. Please comment this video useful for you or not.